At Labelmaster, our big core business is making labels and metal signs.
We help companies stay compliant with shipping of any dangerous goods. We consider our employees the superheroes of the hazmat industry.
As a company, we have a social obligation to make sure that dangerous goods are shipped compliantly throughout the world. The infrastructure here in Chicago is great for our business. As a culture, as a company, I don't think we would want to be anywhere else.
My absolute favorite part about working at Labelmaster is the culture.
Labelmaster has always been about lifelong learning, and they make a great commitment and investment in training and development.
You grow with the company.
Many of our employees have had that opportunity to grow and evolve within this company. People believe in each other, they support one another, and it's really nice to work with people that are driven to provide the best results possible.